Topic 4, actual tests. Question number 1. A train travels 2,000 miles in 40 hours, going the same distance each hour. How many miles does the train travel each hour? So it goes a distance of 2,000 miles in 40 hours. How long or how many miles does it travel in each of those 40 hours? Is it 4 miles, 5 miles, 40 miles, or 50 miles? Choice A, choice B, choice C, or choice D. Match them up from the selections from above. Question number 2. At top speed, an elephant can run 6,600 feet in 3 minutes. How many feet can it run in 1 minute? So if it can run 6,600 feet in 3 minutes, how many feet can it run in just 1 minute? Is it 22 feet, 220 feet, 2,200 feet, or D, 19,800 feet? Number 4. A music store has 5,720 CDs in stock. There are 8 large display cases in the store. If each display case holds the same number of CDs, about how many CDs can go on each display case? So the store has 5,720 CDs total in the store, and there are 8 large display cases that they need to go on. About how many CDs are going to go on each of those 8 large display cases? Is it 70, 80, 700, or 800? Choice A, B, C, or D. Question number 5. There are 312 apples that will be divided into 8 large baskets. Which represents the most reasonable number of apples for each basket? So use compatible numbers for this. A, the answer is 32 because 312 divided by 8 is about 240 divided by 8, which is 30. B, 39 because 312 divided by 8 is about 320 divided by 8 using compatible numbers, which is 40. C, 49 because 312 divided by 8 is about 350 divided by 7, which is 50. Or D, 59 because 312 divided by 8 is about 360 divided by 8, which is 60. Choice A, choice B, choice C, or choice D. Use compatible numbers and round. What's your best estimate? Okay. Question number 7. If the base 10 blocks shown here are to be divided into 6 equal groups, what should be done first? So each of these is a 100 cube. This is a 10 cube, and this is a 1 cube. Think of this like the division problem we did in class. Here's the $100 bills, here's the $10 bills, here's the 1. So if you're going to start dividing this into 6 equal groups, what do you need to do for the first step? Focus on the first step. Is it A, exchange the 1 10 rod for 10 unit cubes? So take this away and exchange it for 10 individual cubes. B, exchange the 100 flat for 100 unit cubes. So they say take one of these and turn them into 100 individual cubes. C, exchange a 100 flat for 10 10 rods. So take one of these and exchange it for 10 of these, the 10 rods. Or D, exchange the 300 flats for 30 10 rods. Number 8. 6 classes from a school in Indiana collected a total of 2,166 pounds of paper to recycle. If each class collected the same amount, how much did each class collect? Again, 6 classes from Indiana collected 2,166 pounds. If they collected the same amount, those 6 classes, how much did each one collect individually? Question number 9. If an 84-inch long wooden board is divided into 9 equal pieces, how much board is left over? So an 84-inch long board is divided into 9 equal sections. How much board is left over? Is it 3 inches, 4 inches, 6 inches, or 9 inches? Question 10. Karen is putting 525 baseball cards into 5 boxes. If each box is to have the same number of baseball cards, how many baseball cards will be in each box? So there's 525 baseball cards total going into 5 boxes. How much is each box going to have? Is it 100 cards, 105, 110, 117? Number 11. Juanita and 4 friends are going to distribute leaflets for a Humane Society fundraiser. They want to divide the work equally. If there are 1,035 leaflets to distribute, again, distribute means to pass out to people, how many does each need to take? So again, Juanita and 4 friends are going to hand out 1,035 leaflets. How much does each person need to distribute? Question number 13. Which of the following is the prime factorization of 36? So if you do a factor tree and you break it all down into prime numbers, which one of these shows the factorization for 36? Remember, you can always check by multiplying them together and seeing if it equals the same amount. But remember, these have to be prime. Prime is, again, only one way you can get to that answer. So again, 3, the only way you can get to the number 3 is 1 and 3. So that's prime. If there's more than one way to do it, let's say this number is 4. Well, does 2 times 2 and 1 times 4 equal 4? Then it's composite. Again, they want the prime factorization of 36. So which one of these shows all prime numbers that make up 36? Number 14. Which number has the prime factorization of 5 times 2 times 2 times 7? Which number has a prime factorization of 5 times 2 times 2 times 7? Okay, so the prime factorization, what does that add up to? Is it 70, 120, 140, or 180? Choice A, B, C, or D. Question number 16. Lucy earned $3,200 working at her aunt's ranch. If she worked for 40 hours or for 40 weeks and earned the same amount of money each week, how much did she earn per week? So she earned a total of $3,200 and she worked 40 weeks and earned that amount. How much money did she earn per week? There's something going on with those zeros that we talked about at the beginning of the class. You know, when we did topic 4. I know this is a big number, but you can break it down. Remember, what do you do with those zeros that we kind of talked about in class? One of these is going to be how much she earns per week. Again, 40 weeks total. Okay, question number 17. Round your answer and pick which one is the closest. A video store has 4,710 videos in stock. There are 6 large display cases in the store. If each display case holds the same number of videos, about how many can go in each display case? Okay, about how many are going to go in each display case? Again, 4,710 videos total in stock. They're going to on 6 large display cases this time. About how many can go in there? Okay, it's A, 70, B, 80, C, 700, or D, 800. Good luck.